What's your mascot name? What?
B.
Just the bee?
Just the B.
Okay. So has this been a long awaited?
Yes, actually I have been. I remember that one time I drove by and I was like, oh shoot, they're gonna put a better buzz here.
Okay. So were you sad they got rid of Burger King?
No,
Oh, okay.
I never go to Burger King.
Okay. Alright.
Definitely would rather have another coffee shop than a Burger King.
Burger King. So you made it, Veronica.
We did. We're in. We got our hats, and I think we're gonna get a cup. Oh, my cup collection.
What kind of cookie was that?
Chocolate something.
Was that peanut butter on it?
No, chocolate chunk walnut cookie.
Oh shit, okay.
Sounds good. For Veronica?
For Monica?
Yes.
I believe we're still working on Monica.
No, Veronica.
Oh, Veronica.
I thought I heard my name.
I got the sweet
Okay.
sandwich.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy that. I love that one.
It was the sandwich, not the drink. Here we go again.
That's a nice cup.
Yeah.
No? How's it?
How's everything tasting, y'all?
Yeah,
Everything good?
really
Solid?